What's good, YouTube? It's your boy C-Dash. Welcome back to another video. It is currently Monday, June 8th. And if you're wondering, did I just wake up? No. Your boy already graduated high school and he's already not doing shit with his life. But yeah, it is a very exciting week. So today I have a haircut all the way in Lathrop. And then right after I'm gonna go meet up with the homies to skate. And then Thursday I leave to San Mateo, gonna go skate out there. And then Friday I'm gonna be going to the airport because your boy is finally leaving the US for the first time since like over 7 years pretty much. I'm going to Tokyo, Japan with my auntie. And I don't know what to expect. It's gonna be fun, but it's gonna be a fun week. I'm gonna vlog the whole thing, and then I'm gonna make another video for my time out in Japan. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun time. And yeah, you guys are coming along. So right now I'm about to go take a shower and then drive all the way to Lathrop to go get my haircut. And then after, I'm gonna link up with the homie Josh to go get some clips. And yeah, that's what's today's agenda. And yeah, I'll see you on the next clip.
I think we're filming, yep. Some good B-roll. Yep. Sunny day, not even sunny.
1, 2, what you wanna do? 3, 4, cause we gonna give you more. 5, 6, and we ain't the trick. 7, 8, and we got it straight. 9, 10, cause we make it blend. 11, 12, never ever going to sell. Drive for a quest situation. Check it out. Power. People really get caught up with this on different levels. Power controls your life. Money. The companion of the first. Some people tend to worship and we know this ain't right.
Attitude. It's how I get my point across. You can't call yourself an MC if you know that you're soft. Aggressive. It's how the stages approach. I burn MCs like toast, cause I'm the host with the most.
LA, that's what to do when you're assing. Whether it be you or all up in your fashion. Cash in, it turned your people's corrupt. It's just a clock. Yo, you got to get your weight up.
Sex. Either a man or a woman, this is gender. But when lovers get down, forget. When niggas try to play roles, and when they really need to put that shit background.
Miserable is what your whole crew will be if you're not original and you show no strategy. Heavenly is how the track tends to flow. And if you don't know, tell him Diggy said so.
We live in this cause it's deep in our bones. A tribe called Quest with this hip-hop Jones. So sit and analyze a lyrical spray, cause all it really is wordplay.
Bully, that's what I kick to get this belly on a lily. Now I'm bagging jobs like Tilly. Stress, that's what I always go through. Cause the survival of the fittest on the 192.
Knowledge. When the mind accept facts on this plane of living, knowledge be the key, black understanding. Getting the grip of what's revealed. When shit be real, can't give understanding back.
Analyze, that's what I do to MCs that be talking about they this and that. Money please, ego. I'm on my own jock still, cause if I don't say I'm the best, tell me who the hell will.
She was smoke, y'all. That's what I use to get high. When I'm in the rut and I don't know why.
Oh.
Alright, y'all, it is like very late at night. I forgot to vlog most of the day. Yeah, as you can see, it's 12 a.m. Yeah, I forgot to vlog most of the day, but yeah, after the skate park, I went and got some grub with my homies, and then after, I drove back to the house, kicked it with another homie, and yeah, we didn't leave until like an hour earlier, and now I'm like half falling asleep, but I still gotta pack for Thursday because I'm leaving for Japan. And yeah, I'll catch y'all Thursday because I'm like half falling asleep and I got work in the morning. So yeah, I'll pick the vlog up back Thursday. Alright, y'all, it is Wednesday night, but leaving tomorrow morning. Right now I'm currently cleaning out the trunk in my car so I can make sure I can fit both my suitcases and my giant ass backpack. Yeah, so I'm flying Friday afternoon to Japan, but tomorrow I'm going over to my grandparents' because they're near SFO. I'm just gonna stay the night there and then go straight to the airport Friday morning. But yeah, before I go to my grandparents tomorrow night, I'm gonna hang out with the bros one last time before I'm out of the country for 2 weeks. I'm hanging out with my boy Easton. We're gonna sesh out there and just have a good time before your boy goes all the way to Asia. And yeah, I'll catch y'all tomorrow morning. Alright y'all, so I'm on the way to San Mateo right now. I'm on the bridge. But yeah, it looks like it's just me and Easton. I'm meeting him out in Millbrae because the other homies, they want to fling. You know, I told them get up at a certain time, and you know, 30 minutes before I'm texting like, yo, you up, you ready to go? No response. One of them's even on D&D, so it's like, fuck that, you know, you snooze, you lose. This ain't operating on your schedule. This is, I got places to be, and I'm asking if you want to come with, but you don't gotta come, you know? I'm giving you a time and shit to get up, but you know, it's cool. You know, it's whatever's. I'm a little annoyed, but man, look, at the end of the day, I gotta put myself first, so yeah. Right now I'm meeting Easton. I'm hitting up Atlas Skate Shop because I'm getting some new wheels, and after that I'm gonna get some food because I didn't eat breakfast, and then after that meet up with Easton. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip. Alright y'all, I just made it to San Mateo. I'm going to the skate shop because I'm getting some new wheels. After, I'm gonna go hit up on McDonald's and get some food and meet up with my boy Easton at Millbrae. Alright y'all, I just got to Millbrae, waiting for my boy Easton. I'm having lunch right now. I got that one $8 meal from McDonald's. This shit just tastes like a knockoff double from In-N-Out. But yeah, I'll update the vlog when we start skating and then my boy comes here. But yeah, it's good.
Really came out with dicks looking good.
Long time since I see, bro. How you been, man?
I just work hard.
Bro, you can't even see.
All of the ops is opt. Passions, a car on the couch like a casting. But the sack in the grill like we wrestling. Used to the walk be the medicine. I never wanted to ask them. My brother went and got caught up in one from them kids who meddling. Niggas been rapping for years in the same place, riding the bike without pedaling. I'm broke it out boot, you probably asked who let the devil in. Grip on the next to the vents in the face like Evelyn. Walk in the crib with my dick in my hand, didn't give it no time to settle in. Like shit, my bad, baby. Let me sit your bags right there. Take this, grab this.
And just get some cash
See
up
him
on
out.
YouTube.
My life, my life, my life, my life in the sunshine.
All of the ops is opt.
Cancel that trip.
Bro, execute yourself, bro. Get on the shit. Get on the shit. Get on. Fuck yes, bro. Fuck yes. You see something? Stand still. Don't move. So, you're not going home until you land it. You're not going home until you land it.
Bro's going through my suitcase.
Let's see, what did I pack? Yeah, I mean, it's what I would pack on a normal trip, I guess.
I had to be like you.
What?
What's in Easton's trunk?
Alright, let's see. So, got pretty cool.
We got a nice carpet.
Some shoes. Some slides actually. I don't know what slides these are. I don't know. It's some note my work forms.
Dude, it is mad hot in this car.
Yeah, you feel it, right?
I'm about to take off.
Oh, we're getting off here.
Wait, I gotta dab you up for the vlog.
Kangsamnida, konnichiwa.
Alright, y'all, I just said bye to the homie. Now, I'm trying to get a hold of my grandparents to see if they're home so I could just spend the rest of the day at their house. But yeah, right now we're on our own. But I'll keep the vlog updated. It was a fun little sesh with Easton. And yeah, tomorrow is Japan. Alright, y'all, it's currently 10 p.m. right now. I'm staying at my grandma's house. And I'm about to call it a night because I have to get up early to go to the airport tomorrow. My flight is until 11, but you know, you gotta get there at least 2 to 3 hours early just so you can make your flight on time. But yeah, I guess I'll see y'all next time in the airport, and then after that I think I'm gonna make a separate video when I'm fully in Japan, just so this video isn't too long. But yeah, I'll see y'all at the airport, and then I'll see y'all next in Japan. So peace. Made it to the airport.
We'll see you. Thank you. All right.
Alright, y'all, we're about to board right now. First, I guess, meal of the plane ride. Got this beef thingy. Just touched down.
We apologize for the inconvenience due to the malfunction.
We finally made it to Tokyo. We're on the way to the hotel. We're about to exit the airport. It'll take like 30 minutes, half an hour. So I'll see y'all when I get there.
I'll be honest, I wasn't devastated, but you could've held my hand through this, baby. Let my mind run underneath one chest. I run my hands through what's left, but we getting older, baby.
Made it to the hotel.
And green box on the page 7 and coffee and maroon sauce.
You want this for your, or you just gonna pour it?
Alright, y'all, I think that's gonna wrap up the vlog. Pretty fucking tired. I think I'm gonna continue the Japan trip in another video. And yeah, I guess I'll see y'all in the next video because I got some fun stuff planned in Tokyo and some other cities out here. So yeah, I'll see y'all